Hola, all my students, all my scholars, all my parents, and everybody preparing for the November final exam. Welcome to Schoolwork All-in-One Fun with your autistic mentor and teacher, Bella Jansen. En ons gaan aan met ons Afrikaans First Additional Language reeks. Now, wanneer ons hierdie vraag sien, if we see this question, we normally get into a flat panic, né? En die question sê, gee die korrekte vorm van die woord tussen hakkies. Give the correct form of the words in brackets. Alright, now we read this question and we're like, what do I need to do now? Okay, let's make it easy. If you see a question that asks you to give the correct word in hakkies, brackets, all that you need to do is, you need to add a tail to the word. That's all. You need to take the word in brackets and add a tail. I can have a back tail, I can have a front tail, and how will I know? Yes, now, the big bourgeois. How will I know which tail to add? Ladies and gentlemen, you have to take a look at the clue words. Nou, in jou sinnetjie is daar 'n clue word wat vir jou sê which tail it must be. Now, let's quickly check our clue words. Baie means it's gonna be a plural tail. Daar is baie kind in die skool. Daar is baie kinders in die skool. How do I know my tail is ERS, a plural tail? Because I saw my clue word, baie. Klein. Dit is 'n klein seun. Dit is 'n seentjie. My verkleining, my TJIE, my diminutive. How did I know my back tail is going to be TJIE? Because I saw the word klein. Who en as? Step 2 of degree of comparison. My tail must be ER. Sy is slimmer as ek. Hy is groter as Tabu. Sy is maarder as ek. Hoe langer hy is, hoe beter skop hy die bal. So, who en as is my second step of degree of comparison. So, I'm gonna add my ER tail. Alright. Het. Now, we all know het is the past tense. And what is the friends of the past tense? Het and ge. Ek het gister slaap. Add a front tail. Ek het gister geslaap. Ek het my kos eet. Fix eet. Haha, het, my clue word, past tense, friend, ge. Ek het my kos geëet. Right, next clue word, die. Die is step 3 of degrees of comparison, trappe van vergelyking, and that means my tail will be STE. Sy is die mooiste meisie. Hy is die stoutste kind. Sy is die slimste kind. How will I know my back tail will be STE? Because I saw the clue word die. Alright. So if you see, gee die korrekte vorm van die woord in hakkies. It just means you need to add a tail. And how will I know which tail to add? I take a look at my clue words. Now, if one of my clue words doesn't work, then my normal tail is the E-tail. Dit is 'n koue dag. Remember, I can't say koude, né? Dit is 'n wonderlike gevoel. Ek is baie opgewonde. Sy is 'n verantwoordelike. Dit is 'n lelike. And then, grade 12s, sometimes you will be hit by this tail, my E-N-D-E tail. And normally I use that for a verb. Die blaffende hond. Nee, the barking dog. Die kokende water. The boiling water. Die rokende pipe. The smoking pipe. Alright. So if I see it's a verb, alright, and it's busy doing it, I know my tail will be E-N-D-E. Otherwise, I take a look at my clue words, and if one of my clue words do not match or is not there, then it's going to be my normal E-tail. Alright, let's take a look at a few examples. Daar is baie tas in die klas. Fix tas en hakkies. Aha, my keyword, baie. So that means it's a plural. One tas, two tasse. Why do I have a double S? What's my spelling rule in Afrikaans? After a short single sound, my letter always comes double. Right. Dit is 'n klein boom in die tuin. Keyword, clue word, klein. So that's going to be a diminutive. Daar is 'n boom in die tuin. So my back tail will be P-I-E. Sy is die mooi meisie. Aha, clue word, die. Third degree of comparison, so it's going to be S-T-E. Sy is die mooiste meisie. Hy is slim as ek. Aha, my keyword, as. What do I know about who and as? E-R. Hy is slimmer as ek. And why do I have two M's? What is my rule? After a short single sound, my letter comes double. And I is a short single sound. Ek het toets skryf. Haha, clue word, het, past tense. I need a front tail, ge. Waar's hy? Ek het toets geskryf. And that is as easy as that. So you're going to get at least 2 or 3 of these questions. Jy gaan 2 of 3 van hierdie vrae kry. Gee die korrekte vorm van die woord in hakkies. Of maak die woord in hakkies reg. Wat beteken dit? It just mean add a tail to the word. How do I know which tail? Ek kyk na my clue words. E, normal descriptive one. Koue, wonderlike, lelike. E-N-D-E for my verb. We can almost say in English that will link to in. Nee, die luiende telefoon. The ringing phone. And that's how easy it is. Next up, we're going to take a look at indirecte en directe rede. Hit me with that thumbs up. Hit me with subscribe. And until I see you again, clue words, be good, be safe, be wise.